Son and daughter of March 2026. This is my last Seva tips and tricks to my all student of 10th standard. Tomorrow you have science one paper, 40 marks paper, 130 minute. Question number 1 A and B are the objective question. So that 10 marks, 10 word, 10 spelling within 10 minutes you can complete. So for rest of 30 marks you have 120 minutes. So just read the question, collect the data in your mind, arrange it and slow and study write in a very good handwriting. There are total 22 sites. 2 sites are utilized for this barcode and instruction. Within 20 side very easily you can write the paper, full paper, 60 out of 60. So have patience, don't be in so much hurry, slow and steady, complete the paper. Some questions which are very cream part of the chapters. For example, types of the equation. One type every year they are asking. Specific heat capacity, that sphere wala experiment. Who will absorb more? Will release more? Will melt more? Will goes more down? Highest specific heat capacity. Kepler's law 1, 2, 3, any they can ask. Reason on one point of anomalous behavior of water, especially aquatic plant and animal can survive under the ice. At the end, again and again I am telling you, at the end you have to write ice is a bad conductor of heat. Cartesian sign convention, 6 point, all measurements should be from O optical point, object always on left hand side of the lens, 4 direction 4 point, up down left right like graph. Ionic compound characteristic or a covalent bond characteristic, they are asking alternate. So that only one topic you have to prepare. Next one is 100% opposite, exactly same, myopia and hypermetropia. So do myopia 7 points, then exactly opposite point hypermetropia. Then one give reason very famous and important, that we apply paint on doors and windows grill. At the end, right, by applying paint we are giving a protective layer. Same, sodium always be kept under the kerosene. Right at the end, sodium cannot react with kerosene. Size of the atom, in two ways they can ask, group wise, period wise. Group wise from top to bottom, or students are writing orbit goes on increasing, wrong. Number of orbit goes on increasing, so radius goes on increasing, so size goes on increasing. Horizontal, period wise, orbit will not increase, number of the electron in the outermost orbit will increase. So electron goes on increasing, attraction goes on increasing, radius goes on decreasing, size goes on decreasing. Twinkling of star, so refraction reference we have to give. SPDF, in modern periodic table it is divided into 4 part SPDF. So first position, left, right, middle, bottom, then group number, then how many orbits are incomplete, what are the common names. So that 4 group, 4 points. Formation of rainbow, first when, morning or evening. Where, morning, west, evening, east. On the screen of white cloud because of the refraction, and at the end you have to write special condition, the moist should be more than 60%. Application of galvanometer, what is the use of galvanometer? We can measure the current, and why we are using in generator, because galvanometer shows the direction of the electric current. That is why at the center 0 is mentioned in the galvanometer. Then 3 type of the orbit: low Earth orbit, middle Earth orbit, high Earth orbit. 3 name, 3 distance, which type of the satellite are launched. One very good example of three element that all the teachers are giving very good hint to their student. LINAK, LiNAK, lithium, sodium, potassium. These three example you can write in Dauber-Reinhardt style. Highly active elements, one orbit incomplete, one a group element. Carbon-carbon compound. Why carbon compounds are innumerable? 5 reasons. There are 4 valence electron in the outermost. Carbon can give the electron, can take the electron, can share the electron, and carbon-carbon long chain can form, that is in catenation. There are 2 artificial satellite name you have to remember. Sputnik, that is the very first, and Soyuz, that is made by student, cheapest, lightest. So these are some very important key point that at least this much is required for the science paper. In numerical, I will suggest that from power to focal length, and from focal length to power, activity question, refraction, that cube, anomalous behavior graph, Hopf separators, Kepler's law. So these are the main point. All the best student. Those who have and special give more concentration in chapter number 6 and 7, because more point, big chapters, more weightage. If you have any doubt, you can call or message. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless.